And this is a follow-up on the latest Toro Model 20332 that I got, 2016 model, and this was a very dirty looking machine when I got it, and it didn't run at their owner's house. Air filter was really clogged. Got it to run, still not quite running right, but the self-propelled, I'll show you the problem with the cable. We're going to see if we can correct that today, but this cleaned up really nice. Very nice looking Toro here, and they had such a small yard. We're going to get this back running like it should. Look how nice that looks. But this self-propel cable is not in the right hole to begin with, and that's the reason why I can't get this to work. This one's a little bit different, where you got your connection here where you can set this cable. Somehow or another this got out of the hole, or was never set right for the factory. Looks like to me you can pull this out. And this should bend these down and fit it into this hole, we're going to try to do. So first thing, let me bring out another Toro like this with that cable and show you how that connection is. And I brought my clone engine personal pace out here to compare. This is model 20372. Really like this engine here. Just to show you what this cable looks like, it looks like it's fitting pretty flush in that second hole. So we're going to see if we can just kind of push this down in there. Somehow it's come out. And if it won't stay, we may have to buy a new cable. So let's give that a try here, see if we can get that in place. So I now have this cable pushed back in the hole with the little clips, and now we need to adjust this cable to tighten this up. And now it'll look flush like this one. And the adjustment on this one, they changed this somewhere along the lines. The first Toro I've gotten with a knob here to adjust versus the bolt here. Same concept, just a different setup. So let's see if we can tighten up this cable here. So we've got a little bit of slack here in this cable. We've got this about in the center. So we're going to make some fine adjustments on this, but first let's see if the self-propel will now work after getting this cable back in place. And I also wanted to show underneath how nice it looks, and the blade. After cleaning this up, the blade is in really nice condition on here. Doesn't need sharpening. What a really nice, almost new condition Toro. Personal pace. And let's give it a start now and see if we can get the self-propel to work like it should. We got the cable back in place in the correct hole, like our clone model over here. May have to make some fine adjustments to this tension here. This might be a little bit tight compared to this one. It's nice to have a comparative mower to look at. So it's still not quite running right, but let's give it a start here. First wanted to address the self-propel before I looked at this engine. Almost a brand new mower. Now let's see if the self-propel. There we go, yeah. It's working now. Still got old gas in it too. Good news, the self-propel's working. cable's going to have to be replaced. Toro. Going to continue to see if we can make this run better. It certainly looks like new.